So hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can play multiplayer with your friend in Car Simulator 2. So before starting the video, if you find this video helpful, then please consider like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video before wasting any time. So guys, to play with your friend you need to just watch my steps carefully and watch video till the end.